Hi students. Now we are going to discuss projectile thrown on inclined plane. To understand the concepts by which I am going to analyze this projectile and its various properties, various elements of this projectile, I just want to proceed with some knowledge. Say, this is a projectile which has been thrown with certain velocity u at angle of projection theta. As you may know, we had already calculated time of flight for such projectile which has been thrown from ground to ground, and the time of flight for such projectile, it is given by 2u sine theta divided by g. I just want to refocus on this formula, and I want to try to express it in quite different manner. There are two basic things. One is this term u sine theta. I would like to call it to be u perpendicular. U perpendicular means velocity of projection. On the other hand, I want to emphasize on this g here. This is considered here as a perpendicular, which means here g, I want to take it as a perpendicular, which is acceleration perpendicular to x direction throughout the motion of the projectile. So, by using these terms, I can write time of flight to be equal to twice u perpendicular upon a perpendicular, which is desired result which I want to share with you. So for projectile thrown on inclined plane, I would like to draw it in front of you as this is an inclined plane A, B, C. We have thrown the projectile from point A, which is taken as point of projection, at some angle theta with the inclined plane with velocity u. Here we can easily write acceleration due to gravity to be g vertically downward. If we want to take this acceleration g, then this angle will also be alpha. So g can be resolved in two mutually perpendicular directions. As down the incline, it becomes g sine alpha, and perpendicular to the incline, it becomes g. Now here we can see that g cos alpha can be taken as a perpendicular here, and no doubt u sine theta, it can be taken as u perpendicular. I think you may got it. U sine theta is u perpendicular here, and g cos alpha is the acceleration perpendicular to the x direction. So, by taking u perpendicular equal to u sine theta and a perpendicular to be g cos alpha, time of flight of this projectile on inclined plane can be written as 2u perpendicular upon a perpendicular. It gives us 2u sine theta divided by g cos alpha is the time of flight for this projectile on this inclined plane.